think of the unimaginable. Driving without horses? Impossible. Flying like a bird? Unbelievable. Even set foot on the moon? Unthinkable. What we take for granted today once seemed impossible to achieve. First, it was a dream, a small thought, an idea, which matured into innovations and pushed the limits towards the unimaginable and beyond. Being a pioneer is not a profession, but a mindset. A mindset that is reflected in each of our products. To work on solutions whose problems others don't even know about.